crafty friends, it's your girl Courtney Brickner with the Crafty Brick. Today I have something fun to share with you that I wanted to try out. I have not tried this yet, but I saw these rhinestone appliques at the Dollar Tree, and you know, they're cute, but I was like, I wonder if they really work. So I thought I'd pick up a couple, and I've got a district t-shirt here from Press Hall, and I also have a cute little tote bag from Heat Transfer Warehouse. So I'm going to try and put both of the appliques on these items and see if it works. So today I'm going to be using my Easy Press, my large Easy Press. I could use the heat press, but I'm going to try it with the Easy Press and see how it works. I have no idea if they're going to really stick on, but I am going to read the directions. That is new for me. There are directions on the back. So let's see, we open the package and we've got a little transfer and it's on a backing. So I have this tiger here. So maybe I should read and see what it says. What does it want me to do? It wants me to remove the textured backing and position the sticky side down onto the fabric. Okay, first let's turn on our temp. We'll do 330 and our time, we'll do 20 seconds. Okay, let's set that over there. Let it get warmed up. We're gonna start with our little tiger here, or jaguar, I don't know, our big cat. And so we've preheated the iron to the medium-high setting. Let's remove the textured backing and position design sticky side down on the fabric. All right, so let's remove this backing from this top part, if I can get it off. I might need my little weeding tool to get it off. It's rather sticky. Having trouble here. Remove textured backing. Why doesn't it seem like it wants to remove easily? Let me cut this side so I can have a little something to pull it off with. I don't know. That seems hard to get off. I'm trying to just find an edge that I can grab to remove the back side. This is weird. Okay, let me try it from the back and see if I can pull it off that. Okay, pull it off from the back. There we go. It's very sticky, so pull it off from the back. All right. Hopefully all those little rhinestones stay on. It looks like they are. Okay, I have removed the backing from the sticky side. Now it says position design sticky side down on the fabric. All right, so we're on step 2 here. So we've got our t-shirt. Let me set our tiger to the side. And I've got my pad, my heat pad to press on. Oh, and we are warmed up. All right, that is very nice. I am excited to see how this works. Is this what we're using? Yeah, I'm using the tiger on this shirt. Okay, so now it says firmly press the design for 20 to 30 seconds, moving the iron in a circular motion. And then we're going to turn it inside out and iron the other side for another 20 to 30 seconds. If the plastic breaker starts to curl, reduce the heat. Remove iron and allow design to cool completely. Okay, so I don't know. I don't really want the design to start to have too much heat. I think I might just use a Teflon sheet. Actually, I'm not going to use a Teflon sheet. I'm going to do it exactly as it says to do on the directions. So that's what we'll do. Okay, so let's go ahead and put our design on here. I feel like I see a little rhinestone here. So rhinestone has already fallen off. I'll save it here. I don't know where it came. All right, so now it says press it around in a circular motion, but that's because the iron doesn't give you even pressure all the way around. So I think I'm not going to spin it around. I really don't want this to melt onto my press. I know it says you don't need anything, but I don't want this backing to melt. I'm a little nervous. So I'm gonna get a Teflon sheet. I'm just gonna get a Teflon sheet to cover it because I don't want it to melt onto my easy press just in case. All right, so let's go ahead, press it on. We're doing 20 seconds. It said to move it around in a circular motion, but that's because they were using an iron. Iron doesn't have even pressure and doesn't touch the whole surface at once. Our easy press does. So let's just do it like that. All right, so let's lift that up. It says, flip it over. Now you see all this dark. Remember, if you're working with a dark color like red or this pink, you're gonna have like that burn mark right when you press it, but it goes away, so don't worry. Turn inside out, not just iron the back. Okay, so let's turn this inside out. I am just following all kinds of directions today. Not my typical behavior. This is the back, and it said press the back, the inside for 20 to 30 seconds. So I'm doing that. I'm doing 20 seconds at 330. And then remove iron and allow the design to cool completely. So while it's cooling, I think we'll go ahead and do our bag too. Okay. Now we'll turn it backside out. Now you see it's super dark. You would think that you'd be nervous because it looks like it's burned and there's a big burn mark on it, but it's just because we're working with the dark color and it will go away. All right, I'm gonna set this little tiger to the side over here. And then we're gonna try the tote bag. Cool, so now I'm gonna put this little heat mat inside. We'll use it as our little pressing pillow so we can get nice even pressure on the inside of this tote bag. Make sure we don't have any wrinkles. Now this thing didn't say to like pre-press to depreheat the iron, but it doesn't say that you have to like pre-press your fabric before you put the design on. So I'm just following directions, people. I don't know. Here's our second one. This is a little heart design. This is the Crafter Square. This is, you know, the brand that they've got at the Dollar Tree. Iron on art. So now we know we need to remove the backing from the back, not the front. It was a little too sticky to remove from the front. I really wonder if these are going to stay on. They're very small stones. Looks like maybe like the 6 size stones. It's got a little heart there. We'll just place it on our fabric. I'm going to press it down. And I'm using my Teflon sheet. Not messing around with these things. I don't really know how they work. I don't want it to melt onto my easy press. So I'm doing this again, 330 degrees for 20 seconds. I don't know if that's the right time. It just says high, medium to high setting and no steam on the iron. So I'm not exactly sure what temperature that is. Okay, so now let's try and get the back on the inside. I don't want it to like bend and peel off. Dang it. It's already bending and peeling off and it's not sticking. All right, I'm not gonna do the inside because I feel like it's not even all sticking this way. Let me press it a little bit longer. Because all right, I don't know if my Teflon sheet is preventing it from giving it pressure. I'll try it. Let's see. Please don't melt on my press, please. All right, I'm gonna try it like the iron, just so I can see if it's melting. Okay, it's not. So it did say to press it around, rub it around like the iron. We just tried it. So I don't know if it's sticking or not. I hope it is. But it said to cold peel. So I'm going to set that aside. This one we did on the outside and the inside. So let's see what happens when we peel that off. It is cold now. Come on, are we going to work? Actually, let me read it. After design has cooled completely, peel the clear sheet away from the design slowly. If design has not adhered to the fabric, repeat the process. Okay, I can do this. So we're going to peel it off slowly. All right, I see just a couple that are not stuck on. It seems like it's coming off, but I want to make sure that it is all pressed on. And we did use the Teflon sheet for this one, so why don't we go ahead. I'll try it without. Make sure I'm not preventing the heat from sticking onto the design or onto the shirt. All right. Let's see here, friends. That one just doesn't want to stick. I'm going to go from the other way. See how it's looking. We got one that didn't stick again. Ooh, those are all sticking. Try again. I just have a few that seem to be pulling up. And maybe my heat is not all the way high enough. Maybe I should have done 30 seconds instead of 20. Or maybe those stones just don't want to stick. I'm gonna just kind of, maybe I'll put that on afterwards. Because all these other ones are sticking fine. I think there's just maybe a stone that's not acting right today. Oh, there's another one. Okay, I just have 3 that didn't stick. And it looks like it doesn't even have really the backing on it. Let me see. I wonder if I just place it. Actually, let me get my little rhinestone pen here. And I'll try. I mean, to be honest, you really can't even tell where they go anyway. It doesn't really look like there's major pieces that are missing. Oh, but except by this ear, that one is kind of missing. Where did my rhinestone go? Okay, there it is. Rhinestone, I want you to stay. Let's move it back where it should be. All right. And I think that's good. We're missing one more, but I don't even really see where it goes. So I'm just gonna put the Teflon sheet on, see if I can get those 2 little rogue stones to stick, and then we'll go from there. Maybe all these stones are not created equal. Did they? No, that one still didn't stay. That one stayed. Why didn't it stay? Dang it. Or did I put it on upside down? Maybe I put it on the wrong side. I'm just going to try it one more time because I'd like it to stick. Okay, little sticky stone, stay right there. Stay where you're supposed to stay. All right. Let's see if that stays. Oh, it stayed. Alrighty. Hey, now look at this. That is pretty cute. And it does have some nice sparkle. I am a fan. Let's try this one. We'll peel this off and, don't fall behind my desk. Let's see if this stayed. Oops, a few are coming off. Let's try it again here. I'd like them all to just stay on it with one pass. That would be nice. Looks like it requires a little extra TLC for these. Okay, I'm peeling slowly, coming off. Not losing too many, I don't think. I lost a few. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, they go right there. I'm gonna try those again because I really don't want those to be off. That's like part of the heart, so it's like kind of a big piece. Let's just press and hold that on there for just a minute. See if we can get those two to stay in place. I don't want a hole in the heart. Okay, those stayed. Good, good, good. All right, no more pieces of the heart. All right, I'm gonna do my Teflon sheet one more time. One more pass just to stay on the top. And just make sure that it is set in place. Oh my gosh. I'm pretty excited about this. They had some cute little designs there at the Dollar Tree. But I wasn't sure. OMG, look, you guys. That's cute. That's super cute. All right, I had to put it on, you guys. This is cute. Little crop top district shirt from Press Hall. And look, that little tiger's cute. Let me show you up close. It sparkles. So there was just like one little piece that didn't stay on, but I fixed it. And look at this little tote bag. This is cute. So this was $1.25 at the Dollar Tree, and it's cute. So it works. I did 330 at 20 seconds. You might want to do a little bit longer, but just make sure you peel it slowly so you can make sure that you're not losing any of the stone. All right, my friends, I feel like if you're like me, you wanted to know how it held up in the wash. So I did a wash because I was nervous, would it just fall off after the first wash? But check it out. Not a stone has fallen off, and it washed really well. I'm a fan. I say it's winning. So if you like today's video and you learned something new and you're gonna go try out maybe some of these little rhinestone designs from the Dollar Tree, check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn those notifications so that you don't miss anything crafty, because I'm here every week sharing crafty content. I really appreciate you being here today and sharing some of your time with me. It means so, so much. And I'll be back next week. But until that time, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.